Theorem. Let R be a commutative ring and P be a prime ideal, then S equals to R minus P is a multiplicative set and RS is a local ring with unique maximal ideal PS equals to set of A by S such that A is belongs to P and S is does not belongs to P. Proof. Given R is a commutative ring and P be a prime ideal. To prove that S equals to R minus P is a multiplicative set, let A comma B is belongs to S where S equals to R minus P. Then A comma B is belongs to R minus P. Then A comma B is belongs to R, but A comma B is does not belongs to P. Here equation number 1. AB is belongs to R, equation number 2 by closure. If suppose AB is belongs to P, then A comma A is belongs to B or B is belongs to P. Since P comma S is prime ideal, which is contradiction to equation number 1. That is A comma B is does not belongs to P. Our supposition A into B is belongs to P is wrong. Therefore AB is does not belongs to P, equation number 3. From 2 comma 3, AB is belongs to R, but AB is does not belongs to P. AB is belongs to R minus P. Here R minus P equals to S. Then AB is belongs to R minus P is plus S. Is S. Therefore A comma B is belongs to S. Then AB is belongs to S. Therefore S is multiplicative set. To prove that RS is local ring with unique maximal ideal PS equals to A by S such that A is belongs to S and S is does not belongs to P. The ring of fractions RS, R by S such that R is belongs to R, S is belongs to S, is commutative ring with unity. Clearly, PS is subset R equals to RS. To prove that PS is an ideal in RS, let A1 by S1 and A2 by S2 is belongs to PS. Now consider A1 by S1 minus A2 by S2 equals to, take LCM A1 S2 minus A2 S1 by S1 S2 is belongs to PS. Now consider A1 by S1 is belongs to S1, comma R by S is belongs to RS. Consider A1 by S1 into R by S A equals to A1 by R by S1S is belongs to PS. Then R by S into A1 by S1 equals to RA1 by SS1 is belongs to PS. A1 by S1 minus A2 by S2 is belongs to PS and A1R by S1S and RA1 by SS1 is belongs to PS. Therefore, PS is an ideal in RS. To prove that PS is maximal ideal in RS, since P is a prime ideal in R, we have P is subset R not equals to R since S equals to R minus P. Therefore, there exists R is belongs to capital R, there exists R is not equals to P. For S is belongs to S and R by S is belongs to RS and R by S is does not belongs to PS. Then PS is subset R not equals to RS. Therefore, R is does not belongs to P and R is belongs to R. Then R is belongs to R minus P. Then R is belongs to S. For S is belongs to R and R is belongs to S. Since X is belongs to G and Y is belongs to H, then X by Y is belongs to G by H. Then S by R is belongs to RS. And R by S to S by R equals to S by S. Therefore, S by R is a multiplicative inverse of R by S. S by R is a multiplicative inverse of R by S. Equation number 4. R by S is does not belongs to PS as a multiplicative inverse. Let BS be an ideal in RS. There exists PS is subset R not equals to BS, subset R equals to RS. To show PS is a maximal ideal, it is enough to show that BS equals to RS. Here, since PS is subset R not equals to BS, there exists A by S is belongs to BS, but A by S is does not belongs to PS. From equation number 4, A by S as a multiplicative inverse S by A. That is A by S into S by A equals to S by S. Equation number 5. Now for A by S is belongs to BS and S by A is belongs to RS. A by S into S by A is belongs to BS. BS is an ideal. S by S is belongs to BS. Therefore, since BS is an ideal in RS and S by S is belongs to PS. BS equals to RS. I is belongs to U. U is an ideal in R. Then U equals to R. Therefore, PS is a maximal ideal in RS. To prove that PS is unique in RS, let I be some other maximal ideal in RS. That is, I is not equals to RS. Equation number 6. Let I is not equals to PS, then there exists an element B by S is belongs to I, but B by S is does not belongs to PS. From equation number 4, B by S is as a multiplicative inverse of S by A. B by S is belongs to I and S by B is belongs to RS. Then B by S into S by B is belongs to I, since I is an ideal. Then S by S is belongs to I. Since therefore S by S is belongs to I and I is an ideal in RS. Therefore I equals to RS. Here I is belongs to U and U is an ideal in R. Then I equals to R, which is contradiction to equation number 6. Therefore I equals to PS. Therefore our supposition is I is some other ideal in RS is wrong. Therefore PS is a unique in RS. From A comma B C, PS is a unique maximal ideal in RS. Therefore RS is a local ring.